So hello, I am starting out my day with turning my aria on, and I'm using a Little Thieves. That is probably my favorite. And I wanted to show you down here my wreath. Slowly but surely it is coming along. I'm almost done. I think I might finish it today, like later tonight after dinner when I work on it a little bit. I just have this left, but it's coming around. Very spookily. So this morning I did my yoga and I did it upstairs in the bedroom. Sometimes I bring it up from my Peloton room to the bedroom just for a change of scenery, and sometimes it's just nice up here. Oh, I can hear, when I'm doing my yoga up here, I can hear my aria softly playing in the background. Be in love with every minute of your life. And I also made some coffee from my Keurig in my Be Positive cup. And I'm about to, before I drink my cup of coffee, I'm about to make sure that my bird buddy has birdseed and that the bird bath has some water, because it's so hot. I want to make sure my birds have plenty of water. Water is life. And I'm also boiling some water in my kettle to make some more of my calm. And I can tell on the days that I don't drink this versus the days that I do. And so I always try and be very intentional and drink calm, because it really does a body good. And I'm thinking, because today is a different kind of day, I'm thinking of maybe making a pot of coffee, because I have a lot to get done today before dinner. And so I'm thinking about that. We'll see. What do you think? Okay, so the bird bath has fresh water, and the bird buddy and all the other bird feeders have fresh bird seed. I just love that bird buddy. That is so fun. That gives me so much joy every day. It sends me pictures every day. And I'm so, I knew I got a lot of birds. I just didn't realize I got a lot of different types. I have northern cardinals. You know what? Let me change this so you guys don't want to watch my calm dissolve. Anyway, 2 tablespoons of calm, and I'm going to fill this up. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit. I'm going to stir it. I have my nifty little glass straw, and I'm going to stir this, and I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add cold water, and I'm just going to drink it, drink it down. Sometimes I'll just drink it down like a hot tea, but today I just feel like filling it all the way up and then drinking it. And I might even make my kale smoothie too for some really good nutrients. I juice the entire part of the kale, the celery, the dandelion root. The only thing I peel is I peel the lemon. I take the rind off the lemon, and the lemon peel and the lemon rind, and I take the peel off the ginger. But, okay, see how it's calmed down? How the calm has calmed down. So, the sun is not out, but it is really warm outside. Okay, so we'll talk about my birds in a second. Okay, I will turn you around for just a second. I am going to drink my coffee, and this day is so turned around. Usually I wake up, I do my Peloton, or I run or work out, and then I take a shower, and then I get dressed, and then I have my coffee, blah, blah, blah. Today's been so turned around. It's kind of a different kind of a day where I did my Peloton, and I did my birds, and now I'm drinking coffee, and I think I'm going to do a few loads of laundry, and then I'm going to go hop in the shower and get dressed, because then we are planning on going out to dinner, and I have a big day tomorrow also after church. Today is Saturday, and so we didn't have my Saturday date today, where we usually go out to breakfast and then go to Costco. So I have a feeling, since our day got kind of put off kilter, but in a good way, that we're probably going to go to dinner and then go to Costco or Sam's Club, whichever. I like them both, actually. I like them both. So I think that may be the plan. I'm not quite sure. Don't hold me to anything right now because it's early and I haven't had my cup of coffee yet either. Okay, so I want to turn you around and I want to show you something I got for my birthday. My birthday was in July, and I don't know if you all know this about me, but you probably do. I love flowers, and two of my favorite flowers are sunflowers and daisies. And of course, oh, my $1 million roses. Let me show you those real quick. They are still as beautiful as when I got them on Valentine's. Oh, and look, I still have my Barbie pink nail polish. It's on my toesies too. I did a little short on it because when I picked out the pink, it just looks so pretty. And then I realized I did Barbie pink. So I'm all ready to go see the movie too when I do. Okay, so those are my $1 million roses. And I got this beautiful Yankee candle, and it smells beautiful. White strawberry Bellini. I got that for my birthday. And I'm going to show you my sunflower. As you can see, I'm like totally IKEA'd out. And I got this for my birthday too. This is real. This is a real bamboo plant. Okay. We had gone to Cracker Barrel for dinner, and they had a vase full of these super big sunflowers. I mean, look how big. It's almost as tall as I am. And I'm not sure where I'm going to display it, but I actually like it here. Let me back up a little bit. So I actually like it here, but my youngest son got me this sunflower, and I absolutely love it, adore it, cherish it. I'll keep it forever. So that is my bird buddy, and I am all the way up in my bedroom window, and I love that bird buddy. Okay, so I have gotten a northern cardinal, the male and the female, the red and the gray. I have gotten chickadees, chipping sparrow, the tufted titmouse, and that one's my favorite. It's got a really fun name too. And it was the chipping sparrow and the Carolina sparrow. There were so many birds that I never even knew visited my little area. So this is through my window. But every morning I fill them up and make sure they're filled, and I fill the bird bath and make sure that the bird bath has water. So anyway, I think there's been a total of 12 different types of birds that have come by. So this is going to be a surprise. My bed is not made. I am going to wash the bedding, and I'm going to put fresh linens on my bed. So I just wanted to show you how far I've come on my wreath. It is almost done. I just got a little bit left up here, and it will be done. And then I'm going to work on a rag wreath. I got inspired to do a rag wreath along with more tablecloth wreaths. So this is the wreath, and I'm going to throw this linen in the wash. I'm going to put fresh linen on my bed, and then I'm going to do my meal plan. And it's got lots of squash on it because I've got lots of squash. So I am the passenger right now today, and we are running some errands. And I have got some things I've got to do, but I just wanted to say hello. I need to go look at a little water fountain, and then I need to get a few groceries. and then we'll check in from there. See ya. Oh, I also want to say I'm going to post my menu plan with this. One day I'm going to go through a bunch of my older cookbooks that I have acquired and share them with you, because I think there's such treasures. And I came across this one, and what it actually is, it's a Let's Get Acquainted with Your Hot Point Electric Range. And I believe this was my grandmother's. And I love books like this. I love books with history. I love to go into Goodwills or thrift stores or secondhand stores and find books. Especially if someone has written like a little note in there, or if there's like an old receipt. I just love things like that. So I have looked through this book and I cannot find a date of when it was published, but I'm thinking probably from the 1950s. And there is a recipe in here that I am going to make, and it is added onto my menu plan. So what I want to do is I want to show it to you, so maybe you can look at the recipe and make it yourself. Okay, so it's called Spanish noodles, and the one thing that it has, ooh, come on, focus, a teaspoon of monosodium glutamate. That's MSG. So I don't think we cook with that anymore. Anyway, but I'm going to make this because this sounds so good, and I think my family will love it because it seems more on the simpler side. It's bacon and beef and onion, and it reminds me of chicken bok bok, but with beef instead of chicken. So this is going to be on my menu plan, and I wanted to show this to you. And I will put this on my blog too. And you know what? I will even try and put this in the description box if you would like this recipe. But I love these old books. Orange sauce. There was another recipe in here that, what is this? Easy chocolate goodies. Well, what's in here? Broken nut meats. I could make that without the nuts. Rich chocolate icing. Oh, is that like the unsweetened chocolate? I remember one time I thought I took a piece of unsweetened chocolate in the cabinet when I was a little girl, and I thought I found like gold, and it was the worst tasting chocolate ever. And I even tried to eat a coffee bean when I was little. It looked so good and smelled good, but it was horrible. That was a little memory I had when I was a little girl. Don't tell anybody. White mountain icing. Thrift cooker features. This is, I love this book. Okay, so that recipe, Spanish noodles, are going on to my menu plan. Last but not least, here is my menu plan. And it is for the week of August 6th through the 12th. The year is 2023. And I wrote it out this time. I'm kind of having fun writing it out. I like to draw and doodle. So here it is. Pizza and wings, hamburger gravy, loaded baked potato, roasted corn and zucchini. I almost said zucumber. Garden salad. And then we have a barbecue birthday. And then that is the Spanish noodles that I showed you in that cookbook. And then I'm either going to make it with a garden salad or cucumber and tomato salad. And then cheese bread and green beans. And I have a plethora of cucumbers, so we're going to see what I'll make. And my salads are a guide. Sometimes it's Caesar salad. Sometimes it's just a cucumber and tomato salad. Sometimes it's just a regular green lettuce salad with all the fun veggies on it. I've showed you pictures. They're all over my blog too, my daily life as a wife and mother. And then we're gonna have roasted chicken, a squash casserole, roasted potatoes with parsley. Those are my garlic parsley potatoes. Another salad, family fun night, and then clean out the fridge on Saturday. I have a lot of fun doing that. I enjoy doing that. It's fun to see creations I can make with leftovers, or things that, you know, I don't want to go bad, things that I want to use up, and it makes more space and room in the refrigerator. And then I think I want to bake some cookies this week. I was going to do some sourdough bread, but I think I'm going to save that for next week. But this is my menu plan for the week. I would love to know what your menu plan is. Helps me out, gives me ideas. And also I put this in my binder, and then I can look back and give myself ideas. What did I make last summer? What did I make, you know, in August? What were some of the things that we really liked? And then I write in my garden book that we had a ton of cucumbers, or like in my garden book, I'll write the cucumbers needed more water. Make sure you water them more. Watch out for those little mealy bugs in the squash. But this is my menu plan. See, I got off topic. Okay, I'm gonna close this vlog for now, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon, very soon.